I'm currently obsessed with making these laser cut wooden earrings on my new WeCreat Vision. It's a laser engraving and cutting machine, and WeCreat, which is the manufacturer, reached out to me about sending me one to see if I wanted to use this and incorporate it into my craft studio. So I took them up on the offer, and I'm making this video for y'all to show you as a first-time laser engraving machine user. I wanted to walk y'all through how easy it was for me to set the whole thing up and work through my first project. So it comes with a little user manual, and it looks like it has a lot of parts, but everything is pretty much assembled. You're just plugging and playing the different cords and the exhaust hose on the back. So I turned it around. I went ahead and started following the steps in the manual to install the exhaust hose. And you can see where I set it up in my craft studio because I have a really, really large window right behind it. And that way I could exhaust it out that window. But they do sell like an air purifier. That's an added cost. It's like a large device. So if you're setting this up in a space that doesn't have a window, that may be an option for you to consider. Here I'm plugging in all the little hoses on the air assist module, which is really helpful because this model comes with that. Now I'm plugging up the Wi-Fi antenna. The first time that I connected it, I just used the USB to connect it directly to my laptop, and I did use a Mac laptop, so it works for both PC and Apple. And once you have all the different cords and things plugged up, we have the power cord so that you can turn the machine on. So I went ahead and did that. And once you do it, you see that it raises itself. So make sure that you don't have anything right above it, like you're not trying to install this in a shelf somewhere. Make sure that it has room to go up because you're also going to need to lift up the top to open it. Now, I went ahead and installed the two laser bed panels. This is like grates that go in there so that as the laser is cutting items, little pieces just fall through into this little kind of crumb catch tray, if you will. And that's it. Once it's all set up, I went ahead and plugged up the USB cord to connect it to my laptop, and I was using a MacBook. So this is compatible with both Apple and PC laptops or computers. Then I also went ahead and downloaded the software program that you need to start making your projects, and it's called WeCreat Make It. They have already included a big library of all types of different projects. I was looking through the earrings to see if I wanted to try my hand at any of these, but you can also bring in your own laser cut files that you either purchase or create yourself. Okay, so you see the window behind the machine is open, and I have the exhaust hose going out that way. So this is a good spot for me to place this machine in my craft studio. Then I took one of the sheets that came with it. It came with two 3mm basswood sheets. I put one in there, closed it up. Then in the software program, I hit autofocus, and it has a camera built in. So it goes from that black screen to the light screen, as you see now, because it recognized that I have wood in there. So I brought in the design for the heart-shaped earrings that I wanted to make. I resized them. Then I did copy and paste so I can make a matching pair. I brought them all the way up to kind of the top left corner so that I don't waste too much wood. And then I selected cut. So I put the red outline around them because remember, this machine engraves and cuts. So we set it to cut. We send it to the machine. It's going to autofocus to make sure that it can determine the thickness of the wood that's in there and all that. And then it tells you the estimated time is 1 minute and 6 seconds to cut these out. I hit the send button, and then you got to press the button that's lit up on the front of the machine and watch it get to work. So it started to quickly cut out my earrings. It looks so cool to watch it do that. And you can see that the lid on the machine has that color, that orange yellowish color to it, so that you are completely safe. Your eyes are safe to watch it do its thing. So I plucked the little hearts out. Look how cute they turned out. Nothing was stuck. It cut through all those little pieces that needed to pop out. And I had a little hole on top ready for me to turn these into earrings. So I grabbed my jewelry making supplies, opened up some jump rings. I slipped the open jump ring in at the top of the wooden heart, and then I just connected it to the French hook part for my earrings. The total time from laser cutting all the way to finishing off the earrings took about 5 minutes total time. So super easy to make. The machine was just a breeze to work even as a first-time user. You can see how cute my earrings are. I've been giving them as gifts and cutting out a bunch of different little shapes and things to give to my friends. So if this is something that you're interested in, I'll make sure to include a link in the video description box below on where you can go so you find out more about the WeCreat Vision machine, learn all about the specs and what materials you can engrave and cut through, because this is just a bare bones beginner-friendly project that I went ahead and created here as a first-time user of a laser engraving and cutting machine. But if you'd like to see me make more video tutorials to give you ideas and inspiration on how you can use your WeCreat Vision machine, go ahead and let me know that in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.